What's going on, everybody? Quite a few people hit me up regarding my last video about earning passive income in the crypto world using the Drip network. Um, Before I start, this is not financial advice. Please do your own research. And crypto, as you guys may know or may not know, is very volatile. And you have to do your own research and make choices from your research. And just don't go by me. So basically, this is a video for people that are not really involved in investing. They're not tech savvy, don't know anything about crypto. They just want to be like, hey, yo, give me the rundown. How does this system work? Basically, just make it completely simple. You get 1% return per day on your deposit amount for up to 365%. So if you just threw your money in there, $10,000, you get 365% of your income of your deposit amount. That's basically what it comes down to. So you throw in your money by if you didn't. So within the Drip network, there's compounding. So you get your 1% interest. You can either cash it out, or you could just let it sit, or you could put it back into your total deposit amount and get 1% on the additional total amount. So if 10,000, you make $100 a day. Instead of cashing it out, you put that $100 into your total deposit. Now you got 10,100. Now you're getting 1% of 10,100 versus the 10,000. But let's just make it simple. You deposit your money, boom, 10,000. At the end of the year, you get 365%. If you don't do nothing, just let it sit, boom, cash out. That's if the price of the token stays the same. Now with crypto, like I said, there's risk involved. It might go down. Your 10,000 might not be worth 10,000. It could be worth 5,000 by the end of the year. You're still getting either 365%, but it might not be worth that much. However, it could still go up. I got in at 26 bucks. It's currently around 70 bucks. So I did almost a 3x within a week or so, about 2 weeks. So, that's the risk with crypto. However, like I said, you have the option of compound. And if you guys go online, put in a compound calculator, put in 10,000, see how much that 10,000 is worth after 6 months, after 10, 12 months. So your 10,000 will eventually be 20,000, 30,000, 40,000. Now instead of $100, you're getting $20, $200, $300, $400. And there's people on YouTube that are bringing in $10, $15, $20,000 a day. But they achieve it not from only their own deposits, from compounding whatever their initial deposits into. So when you compound, it just goes straight to your deposit, and you're making more per day because you got more tokens, and hopefully the value stays the same, or it goes up, and it could go down, but you're getting compounded interest every single day. Now, another way to get more tokens is referrals. You don't have to do it. You could be a solo dolo and just do your interest. Hey, I just want to put this money in. I don't want to fuck with nobody, whatever. Just put your money in and get your interest. However, if you have a referral, because when you sign up, you do have to be referred, meaning you have to get someone's link to link up. That'll be your buddy or their team lead. And that's how you start off with. Now, let's say you start referring people. Now, people underneath you, when they join in and they start depositing money and all this other stuff, you get a bonus from the network, and it goes straight to your deposit. So that's basically the gist of it. If you guys have any other questions, hit me up. It's more in depth than that. This is just another way. I just want to show you guys, just like the K20 head swap that I made. I like to share information. I like to help everyone out. I want everyone else to succeed. I know how it feels like to struggle, go through financial bullshit, and you're passionate about modifying your cars or doing whatever project you have, but you don't have the money. You're working 2-3 jobs. You're getting barely any sleep, and at one point you're just gonna be like, man, fuck, life sucks. I'm just working. I'm getting up to work and fucking for what? Be a financial slave. So this is just another way. Crypto was created to give the average folks like us, like me, a way out. A way out to get out of the 9 to 5, man. Like, look at me. I'm about to go to my 9 to 5. Do I want to go? No, I don't. But I have to make money. This way, if my investments ever do blow up, which I believe they will, I don't have to get up. I can take a trip tomorrow. I could go buy that fucking Lotus Emera that I want to get, or that GTR, or whatever car you guys desire, or Ferrari, Lamborghini, whatever. You have that option. 9 to 5 don't give you that option. It just don't. It just don't. And you're at the mercy of the company. Just like that, boom, bye. They ain't gonna miss you. So I just always wanted to be financially free. And I found out, investing is a great opportunity. But I found out that just letting your crypto sit and just wait and wait, oh, 10x, blah, blah, blah. Okay, cool. That I've invested so many small coins, I hope and blow, it never blows up. The main ones have done well for me, but it didn't get me excited. Oh wow, he made 20, 30 grand. It don't get me excited. I want to be able to make $1,000 a day, $2,000 a day, shit, $5,000 a day off of my investments. So this is the Drip platform is a great platform and gives you guys the opportunity to make that kind of money. A lot of people are skeptical. Oh, nah. Trust me, man. I've been in this shit for a long time. You might hear about other DAOs like Time Wonderland came out, Jade, and all this stuff, man. With this, with all those, man, they don't rug pull you, but all the beginning investors make all the money, and then it just crashes, and then all the people that got on the top, they lose all that money. This way, this goes to my next point. So you guys are probably asking, how does this network sustain? Now, every deposit, every withdrawal, and every hydrate, you get taxed. Not taxed from the government, but taxed within the system. It's a fee. It's 10%. So that keeps the liquidity going within the Drip network. Now, you guys might think, oh man, 10%, I put 10,000, I got 9,000. Dude, compound your interest. Compound it. You'll make it up just like that. Think about it. If the price stays the same, 10%, you're making that up within 10 days. 10 days, it's already made up without even without even compounding. That's just money just sitting there and you made it back up. So you're not losing money. Now, granted, like I said, there's risk involved. The price of the coin might go down, but there's a lot of projects coming out on the Drip network, man. But like I said, if you guys want more information, I could talk you guys through it. Tell you guys about upcoming projects with this network and everything like that. If you guys want to link up, let me know, man. At the end of the day, I'm just showing everybody and giving y'all the opportunity to make money. Y'all guys could take a chance, take a leap of faith, and say, fuck it, I want to do something different. I'm tired of waking up, going to work, doing this bullshit, coming home struggling, can't work on my car, fix the fucking toilet. I don't got no money. Y'all guys could continue that path or take a risk, take a little bit of risk, throw a couple $100, take a little risk and try this out. Say, fuck it, let me try something different. Life sucks now. Let me try something different. So, or, continue the path, man. If you're comfortable, whatever you want to do, continue the path. But, I'm to a point, I'm tired of that path, man. I want to be financially free. So I feel like this is giving me an opportunity to become financially free and to, I would like to bring better content. I got a fucking Civic Si that's supercharged. Great. I want to bring other content to the thing. I don't got no money for that. A lot of money tied up in the Civic. So anyways, guys, hit me up. I'm going to leave my buddy link in the description. If you guys want, hit me up. You could go to the Drip website. Just type in Google Drip community. You can read the white paper, how the system works and everything like that. But if you guys want to get a little one-on-one, hit me up on Instagram at the Black Asian. That'll be in the description too. Hit me up, man. We could chit chat. I could help you out. I'll help set up everybody that's really interested and is really trying to do something different in life, man, and stop with the same old bullshit 9 to 5. Anyways, guys, that was a video. Hopefully it explains a little bit. Until next time.